Let's solve this question. 5 raised to the power of x minus 4 raised to the power of x equals to 9. We have to find x. Can you solve this question within some seconds? Let's see if we can do that. Solution. Five raised to the power of x minus 4 raised to the power of x equals to 9. Okay, let's have this. Let's rewrite this as 5 raised to the power of 2 divided by 2, which also gives us 5, then raised to the power of x, minus 4 raised to the power of 2 divided by 2, which also gives us 4, raised to the power of x equals to 9. Okay, from here we are going to rewrite this by saying 5 raised to the power of x over 2, that is 2 times x will give us 2x. Okay, 2x divided by 2 minus the same thing happened here, 2 times x, that gives us 2x divided by 2 equals to 9. So we can write this one as 5 raised to the power of x divided by 2 all raised to the power of 2, because x times 2 will also give us what? 2x, minus, we do the same thing here, x divided by 2 raised to the power of 2, x times 2 will also give us 2x equals to 9. So what do we do next? If you look at this now, we are having difference of 2 square. That is, if we have 2 a raised to the power of 2 minus b raised to the power of 2 is equals to, our a here now is 5 raised to the power of x divided by 2, while the b here is 4 raised to the power of x divided by 2. Then we are going to have a plus b multiplying a minus b. Okay, so if we apply that one now, we have 5 raised to the power of x divided by 2 plus 4 raised to the power of x divided by 2. We now multiply 5 raised to the power of x divided by 2 minus 4 raised to the power of x divided by 2. Everything is equals to, we can write 9 as 9 times 1. Okay, then further, we go further by comparing the right and the left. So we equate this by saying 5 raised to the power of x divided by 2 plus 4 raised to the power of x divided by 2 to be equals to 9. The reason why we are picking 9 for this is because addition is bigger than subtraction. If you add these two together, it's bigger than when you subtract their differences. So 9, this is 9 and this is 1. So we have 5 raised to the power of x divided by 2 minus 4 raised to the power of x divided by 2, that is equals to 1. Let's call this equation of 1. Let's call this equation of 2. So what we do is we solve the equations simultaneously. So to do that, let's subtract the 2. If you subtract this minus this, it cancels each other. Okay, then we have 4x raised to the power of 2 into 4x raised to the power of what? 4 raised to the power of x divided by 2. What do we have? We are going to have 2 into 4x divided by 2 equals to 9 minus 1. That gives us 8. So we can divide both sides by 2. 2 will divide this. What do we have? We have 4 raised to the power of x divided by 2 to be equals to 4. 2 here 1, 2 here is what? 4. Now, what do we do next? What we do next here is to equate the two. Since the base are equal, the power should be equal. So therefore, our x divided by 2 is equal to what? Remember that 4 is raised to the power of 1, which is the same thing as 1 divided by 1. Then we cross multiply. So if you cross multiply, we are going to have x times 1 equals to 2 times 1. X times 1 gives us x, which is equal to 2. So therefore, our x is equal to what? 2. That is the final answer. There's another method you can easily use apart from this method. And the method is, let's look at this. If you have 5 raised to the power of x minus 4 raised to the power of x to be equal to 9. So we can write this as 5 raised to the power of x minus 4 raised to the power of x to be equal to what? 9 times 1. Okay, so we see our 5 raised to the power of x minus 4 raised to the power of x to be equals to, remember that if you add 5 with 4, it gives us 9, times if you subtract 4 from 5, it also gives us 1. So we write our 9 in this form and then our 1 in this form. Now when you look at this, is similar to difference of 2 square. A square minus b square equal to a plus b and a minus b. So this a is the 5 and our b is 4. A is 5, b is 4. So when you look at this, so it's similar to what we have here. So what do you do now? You now compare the two. Since it is similar, it means we can write this in this form. So we have 5 raised to the power of x minus 4 raised to the power of x is equal to a square. And what is our a here? 5 square. Then what's our b square? B here 4 square. Now if you compare the two right side, now the right hand side and the left hand side, you will notice that our x is equal to 2. That's the final answer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more interesting solution. Thank you so much. Bye bye.